Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to import Google Drive files in OneDrive on computer. So how to import Google Drive files in OneDrive on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the OneDrive application on your computer or laptop. And this is the OneDrive display. First go to the album menu, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here there are many menu options. Tap the Settings menu. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap New Option. Now here it is in the Option menu. Here there are many menu options. Tap the Import Cloud Photo and Files menu. Now a menu like this will appear. Move the cursor to this Google Drive menu. And tap the Start button. Now a menu like this will appear. Tap Import now. The import process begins. Wait until the process is complete. Now you can see the import process is complete. So that's it, tutorial how to import Google Drive files in OneDrive on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.